Hey my lovely queens, welcome and welcome back. So today we're gonna start off by cleaning whatever makeup I have going on my face right now. Okay, so we're gonna clean it with a cleanser from Nivea. It's a cleanser and a toner at the same time because I wanted to cleanse and start my makeup right away. So that's what I'm gonna use to remove everything that I have on my face and start afresh. It's really good in removing any kind of makeup, and then I use wet wipes. This really makes my makeup just come off. Plus I didn't have even makeup today. I only did my eyebrows and lashes and lipstick, so that was easy to remove. I'm then going in with a hyaluronic acid face serum by The Ordinary. I make sure to massage it into my face so that it just sits well and hydrates my face as it should. So a girl gotta feel herself. I keep when I'm alone. Oh god. I just love me. I just love me time, like me time. This is me time, okay? So that's primer, and then I got this beautiful eye patches, eye sheet masks, and so far so good. If you're my client, you know I take skincare very, very seriously, and my recent clients, of course, have tasted the yumminess of this eye patches. It's really good actually. So off to priming my eyes. I prime my eyes with the LA Girl white concealer. I feel like it really does a very good job in making sure my colors pop and they stay true to their original nature. Okay, so I set all this with a translucent powder. That's after I blend out the concealer, set it with a translucent powder, not too much, and then now I start building my colors. So today I'm using pastel colors. Pastel colors are colors that don't typically show as bright on camera, but are also bright in real life, but are not bright. They kind of look like nudes, but they have color. I don't know if I'm making sense. But anyway, I changed the filter so that you guys can actually see what I'm actually doing and the colors, because this look was a vibe. Let me tell you, I was feeling like it was giving me Ariana Grande vibes, but with a mixture of me. Oh my god. Anyway, it's a cut crease, and I started off piling the colors. Okay, once you cut the cut crease, set the eyelid with translucent powder first as well. Then go in with a small brush so that you can be very precise with the placement. Start with white, finish with the white, go in with a light purple. Okay, after you go in with a light purple, then a dark purple, you will have finished the look. I did my wing liner off camera, my eyebrows off camera, but I think I've done a lot of tutorials on that, so just watch my page and you will find the tutorials. So right now I'm doing some skin work, which I did some highlighting first. Then I made sure just to make sure everything is clean, my eyes are clean, and the technique I used for my entire face was the paint method, which I highlighted, put foundation, and put contour all at the same time, even my blush, and then I blended it all in together and set it all together. And then I also did my lips, which you'll have a tutorial soon, guys. It's of course an ombre lip and it's glossy, but yeah. Then I actually now finished off the whole look kabisa with setting spray, which is from the Huda Resting Boss spray. This one is a really good spray, like your makeup will not move. Okay, so I'm telling you, this was a vibe. The makeup was inspired by the braids. The braids were inspired by Pinterest. If you've watched that video, you know. So this is how the look turned out. I was really feeling the hair, hence it made me just recreate a very beautiful makeup look, which I really love. I hope you guys love it. My queens, try this look. If you like it, tell me, show me a video, tag me. Guys, this was me time. sharing it with you. I hope I haven't overshared. I hope I've taught you something. I hope I've inspired you to get out and look like your best self. And guys, these braids are the best braids you can ever have because they'll never cut your hairline. So if you're looking for ideas for December, I hope I can be an inspiration. Thank you so much for watching until now. See you guys in my next tutorial.